All right, our intervention slides. So we have, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. Woohoo! All right, so what we're going to do first, we have, first of all, our order of operations. Remember parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division. Remember from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, let's take a look. Do we have any parentheses? Beep, 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 beep. Nope. So I'm going to check off the parentheses. No parentheses. How about exponents? Beep, 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 beep. Nope. No exponents. Multiplication and or division? Yes. I see both. But how do I go about it? Left to right. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to figure out if we get multiplication or division first. Beep, 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 beep. So our first thing what we're going to do is 6 times 4. Well, I know 6 times 4 is going to be 24. And I'm going to bring everything else down that I did not use yet. Alrighty, now, do we have any more multiplication or division? Yes, we do. So let's go from left to right. Beep, 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 beep. We have 24 divided by 4, which you'll get 6. Bring everything else down we did not use yet, which is that 26 plus 6. Do we have any more multiplication or division? Nope. How about addition or subtraction? Yes, we do. And the only part that we have is 26 plus 6. So if we add 26 plus 6, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So our answer is going to be 32. And we are done with our order of operations. Great job.